My name is Hannah, and this is
Maddie.
Maddie is 7, and she's my daughter. And she's going to help instruct us in some of these crafts.
Yeah.
Now, these crafts are good for ages 4 and up, and maybe even a little younger, and also a little bit older. All these crafts, the supplies that you need, will probably be able to find in your house. So that's the whole point. We're trying to keep it as simple as possible. So for today's craft, you're going to need either a brown or black piece of construction paper, a blue piece of construction paper, some glue, and some markers.
And crayons.
Or crayons, yeah. And some scissors. You do need scissors.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got all these. You can also, if you want, you can do some stickers for the water. We are going to be, day 1 is where Moses parts the Red Sea. So our craft is going to end up looking like this.
Yeah.
We've drawn some
fishies
on there for the water, and then you can slowly pull away the Red Sea.
Yeah.
And there's a path there, and I don't know if that's upside down or not, but it says the Lord will fight for you and you have only to be silent, and that's from Exodus 14:14. So it's a fun craft to just open and close the Red Sea there.
And these crafts are really fun too.
They're really fun. Okay, so we're going to instruct you on how to do this craft. The first thing you do is you take your brown piece of paper and you put glue right on the sides. Okay?
Only the sides.
Yep, only the sides. So she's putting glue right along the sides there. You're doing good, Maddie. There we go. So she's going to stick,
The blue piece of paper.
Yep.
And you're just going to stick the sides, like the sides of the paper, onto the other side. That's glued.
All the way up to the top. Yeah, and if mom or dad need to help, that's okay.
And
We'll put it on there just so it's squared up.
And just so you know, if you're like, if you want to do this craft and you're kind of like young, how about you ask your parents to help, because there's going to be cutting in these crafts.
Yeah,
So
you can ask your parents to help. Okay, so here's the cutting part. So we have the blue and the blue and the brown together.
Yeah. And then
You're gonna take the blue and you're gonna cut right down the middle. I'll do this.
okay.
You're gonna cut right down the middle, all the way to the top. Now it doesn't have to be too straight, but you kind of want it right in the middle, straight. So then it opens up like that.
Yeah.
Okay?
And then you're grabbing the markers because we're going to draw the fishy.
Right. So for the sake of time, since you've seen the finished product, you can put stickers, you can color fishies like we did, you could do a whole ocean scene if you want to, you can do whatever you want. So for the sake of time, we're not going to draw today, but we're just going to show you how to fold it. So what you do is, you kind of fold it like an accordion. You take one end and fold it on top of the other end. So you make one crease and then another crease. Just kind of like the way you can unfold it. Parents might have to help a little bit with this. So it looks like this. You just kind of fold it in a 3-form fold.
Yeah. So it's kind of like when you're like opening up like a map. Like,
Yes.
You see like this. It's
That's
kind of
right.
like you open up like that.
Right. Open up like a map. So that's what it looks like. So it looks like this.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then you can easily open and close.
Yeah.
So on the inside, you can write a Bible verse. We used Exodus 14:14, and we drew a little ocean floor there, so it looks more realistic where he parted the Red Sea there. So that is day 1 of our crafts.
Yeah.
So it's very simple, and you can use it with things that you do in your house. For tomorrow's craft, we're going to be doing Daniel in the lion's den, and all you will need is a paper plate and some construction paper and some glue and a little craft stick that looks about like that.
It's kind of like a popsicle.
Yeah,
stick.
or a popsicle stick, or any type of stick that you need for that. So that's all you'll need for tomorrow's craft for day 2, and that's a paper plate, some construction paper,
Mhm.
and a craft stick. So it's pretty simple. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.